Connecting an industrial device over Modbus. Setup starts with the device type. A device type is a template. You describe it once and apply it to every device of that kind. Our example is a Schneider Electric Altivar ATV320 frequency drive. Equipment like this runs the compressors in cold rooms. The type is created. Next, we define which quantities it measures. If a quantity already exists, you do not create it again. You just give it a number. The number sets the order in which values are read. Output frequency, motor current, mains voltage, and motor power. Each quantity gets a name that carries its unit. Next, each quantity gets a register address. They are not in the programming manual. They live in a separate communication parameters document. Output frequency, register 3202. Motor current, 3204. Mains voltage, 3207. Motor power, 3211. All parameters are 16-bit words. A fifth quantity is added the same way, in the same list. Shaft speed, register 8604 revolutions per minute. Frequency in hertz sits at address 3202. Speed in revolutions sits at address 8604. The type is configured. Devices are added as a list. Identifiers are pasted from the clipboard or loaded from a file. The number of devices is not limited. The identifier is the key that ties measurements to a specific device on site. Devices inherit their settings from the type. 20 devices added in a single operation. Next come the connection parameters, Modbus server address, port, and unit number on the bus. Address and port are shared across devices on one gateway. The unit number is unique to each device. Once the server is set, reading becomes available. The platform queries the device and decodes the registers. The values are stored as measurements. The device card shows everything it returned. Reading runs on a schedule. The period is configurable. In this example, it is 30 seconds. From here, these are ordinary measurements. Limits and rules apply, and they feed reports and dashboards. Any industrial device is set up the same way. Pick from the list of quantities or add new ones. Then load the identifiers and use the data in your own processes. From there, the data goes to dashboards, current, voltage, and power in one window, in real time. And not only dashboards. MITE does not just display numbers. It advises, shift cooling to the night, catch the cheap tariff, close the display case that is leaking cold. And it warns ahead of time, by the trend in compressor vibration, replace the unit in a planned window before it fails. MITE is not a box product. It is built on an open platform and adapts to your processes. We assemble exactly what you need. Do not wait. Give us your first, most painful tasks. We will show you live on your own data.